Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another unboxing time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got a box from Japan. It's yet another Zenpop box. These are pretty cool. You can get them every month if you go check out zenpop.jp. Let's crack it open and see what's inside. Alright, so they're celebrating 3 years of their Zenpop boxes. That's pretty cool. Happy birthday. Here is a little info sheet about that. And a little birthday card. And look, a sticker. I dig stickers. They're having all sorts of little contests over at zenpop.jp right now, so you can win prizes and cool stuff like that. So go check it out. There's some neat stuff. Next up, we have the ever needed information sheet. This has the translations of all the different products that you get in this box. Here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different varieties of noodles. And now we'll go through each and every one in detail. And first off, we have Myojo with their Ippichan Potato Mayo Yakisoba. As we anticipate autumn, we deliver you a unique yakisoba this month. What's so unique about it is that the potatoes used are purely from Hokkaido. Potatoes harvested during August to September in Hokkaido are the best, and you get to taste these freshly harvested potato in your mouth. Next up, Marushan with their Dining Soy Milk Sesame Miso Ramen. If you've never had soy milk noodle soup, it's really freaking good. Soy milk is wonderful stuff. You might think like, that's like so weird and trendy and organic, but honestly, you go over to Taiwan and you can have like hot soy milk for breakfast with like hot sauce or spicy oil in it. It's, oh man. Anyway, this one is a delicious and healthier option for your lunch, so bring it to school or work and enjoy it. Made with soy milk, it is high in protein and it is good for you. Here's another one from Marushan. This is Kuta Tomato Cheese Cream Ramen. Here is a brand new noodle from your favorite Kuta collection. This time, soak yourself in creamy, cheesy tomato soup. You can smell the delightful cheese and the nice aroma of tomatoes in this rich, creamy soup. And we are sure that this soup will be a great treat to everyone this autumn. Next up, Ace Cook with their Potato Butter Shio Ramen. Open the lid and look closely at the packets inside to see something surprising. Isn't this butter block extraordinary? Please make sure to add this butter to the soup just before eating. The creamy, salty soup with rich pork extract, plenty of onions and garlic is comforting, especially in the beginning of the autumn season. Hope you're ready for a big slab of barley gluten. We have Marushan with their Chikara Mochi Udon. Chikara udon means power udon, and it has mochi in it to give you extra strength. This kind of udon is very authentic udon, widely available at local udon shops, udon, especially in the Kansai area. This is a chewy and delicious udon topped with a flat piece of mochi. The mochi gets softer as it gets soaked in the soup. The softer the mochi is, the better it gets. Excellent supper choice when you are exhausted. Here's another one from Myojo. This is Kokushio Butter Ramen. A lot of butter this month. When you have a craving for salty and buttery things and you feel like it's invading your entire body, try this cup to calm yourself down. On top of the cup, you'll find a butter oil packet especially made for this ramen. And last but not least, from Myojo, we have vegetable paitan tanmen. By now, some of you may know that paitan refers to creamy white ramen broth. This one is not as thick as regular paitan ramen, but it is so good because the soup is multi-layered broth, kansai dashi, with chicken, pork, and lots of vegetable. The multiple flavors means that it can contain a slightly less amount of sodium than normal. Toppings are cabbage, corn, and carrots. Alright, so in this, the November 2019 Zenpop box, you get Paitan Tanmen, creamy tomato, soy milk extravaganza, potatoes and butter, buttery shio, potatoes and mayo, a slab of mochi, a birthday note, a thank you, a sticker, and your valuable information sheet. All right, thank you very much to the folks over at zenpop.jp for shooting this over. If you want to get one of these, head on over and use the coupon code for a discount. All right, well, hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.